So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Meta glasses are not connecting to your iPhone or your Android device. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very big first thing you're going to have to remember here is that within these types of devices, you're going to have to remember that they kind of can give you some issues. The first thing I'd recommend doing is to just make sure that you actually have these things charged up and they are fully working. So go through, make sure you plug in your Meta, your glasses to your charger and just make sure they're fully working, making sure there's no problems like that, because sometimes that can also cause some issues. Now, what you can also do is you can slide the power switch on your Meta glasses from the off position so you can see red, turn them off. Wait at least about 10 seconds or so and go ahead, turn them back on. You want to slide it back up to the on standpoint. And you want to see and wait for a little solid green light before you actually open up the application. A lot of the times that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. And that is another really easy basic thing that could end up fixing the problem in your particular situation as well. Now also, if it's already been connected to your device, sometimes you might have to go through and make your way back into your Bluetooth settings. So go inside of your Bluetooth settings and you want to go ahead and basically find that particular, the Ray-Ban option that you had, those Ray-Ban Metas. And then you want to go through and you want to forget that device. So go through, forget that device, and then you'll basically be able to, reconnect it back into your iPhone. And that's another really easy thing you can do as well. If that's still not working, you want to place those glasses back inside the charging case. You want to keep that lid open and you want to press and hold the button on the back of the case for about 5 seconds. And you want to release the button once the LED on the front of the case starts pulsing blue. That's another really easy basic thing that can end up fixing the problem for you too. And hopefully these things ended up fixing the issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.